So there's just simply whatever is happening. Sitting outside, enjoying the bees, looking how they come home with the pollen. What a beauty. Just simply this. Enjoying the bees, wondering how it's looking inside of the hive. Just simply this already. Just life being. There's no one separated from this, having this interest. Whatever is happening is already innocently this. Trying to feed the queen, trying to build up the hive is just innocently this already. What a beauty. Just full on life being. For no one, by no one separated, to be or to not be already. Just simply this.